car just in it, unique, especially in classics. 2012 Dodge Challenger SRT8 twin turbo yellow jacket. This is actually Arlington Performance #1 car that they built. 392 Hemi underneath the hood, twin turbo of course. 11,631 miles is all in this. The twin turbos are 58mm precision ball bearing turbos. Has a Kooks full exhaust system, 85mm throttle body. Does have a 6.1 intake manifold, Arlington fuel rails, Arlington custom tune, Arlington front strut brace, and much, much, much more. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. In with the still pictures of this car, I will have receipts, dyno pages, so you can take a look at those. I am not going to be able to hit everything that this car has in a video. It would go on way too long. You don't want to listen to me that long. As you can see, nice little saying down on that chin spoil. Of course, this car is going to come with the amenities that a 2012 SRT8 are going to come with, and then some. So I will also have a picture of the original window sticker. Of course, yellow jacket would be the name of this color. It also has a very light kind of pearl ghost flame painted onto it. And as you can see, tastefully done, very subtle. You really have to look for it, know it's there, catch it in the sun. Very, very nice paint job. 6-point cage in it. You're going to see on the dyno sheets 997 horsepower max and 895 pound-feet of torque max. Custom stereo built into this. And again, all of the stock options. Take a look at the paint back here. This appears that it has been airbrushed. That is not vinyl, FYI. There's also some highlights of that as far as the yellow jacket underneath the hood and the valve covers. Take a look at that in the still pictures. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, rear window louvers is a manual transmission teamed up with that twin turbo 392 Hemi. There's pictures of the underside. You'll be able to see how things were plumbed. Take a look at the underside, how clean it is. You're going to have A-pillar gauges. There's also center console switch is plural. That all have to do with making this car operate correctly. And as you can see, paint is what you'd expect on this low-mile car. Definitely been somebody's baby pride and joy. It is now up for sale, and has anybody can have the opportunity to enjoy this car also. Sunroof also, as you can see, there's that 6-speed manual transmission. The doors are also the Lamborghini style, so they will lift up. You can see that in the still pictures. A little tough for me to do it one-handed running the camera. All right, of course, heated seats, your power windows, your power locks, climate control, steering wheel controls. All the amenities you're going to get. And again, check out the still pictures. I'll have a copy of that window sticker so you can see what exactly was on this car before it was modified. We're going to fire it up. Pull the door all the way closed here. As you can hear, Pioneer custom stereo works. There's your miles, 11,631. A-pillar gauges for fuel pressure, boost, air-fuel ratio. And of course up here we have oil temp and oil pressure. And then there is also a boost leash. Leash electronics. And there is a folder that will go with this car. And consult with your sales associate if you have questions. Like I said, they'll be able to have access to that folder with the information in there. And it was an Arlington Performance built Challenger. All right, slip around to the back. Nice rumble coming out of that. Nothing crazy over the top though. Great looking taillight setup how they have it. Now remember, we do have very dark window tint in this car. Consult with the laws of your local and state law enforcement to know what sort of percentage tint you can have on your car. We're going to leave it the way it is. Buyer's responsibility, and the same as taillights like that. Sometimes when they are tinted over, it's not exactly illegal in all states, so check that out. Unless you're not worried about it, well, then outrun the cops. Just don't tell them I told you to do that. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's go ahead and pop this hood, let you check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up, and I'll finish taking pictures of all the receipts, the dyno sheets, and the information.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go. Hood popped. All graphics underneath there. Here's those custom painted valve covers, or valve cover covers, I guess, if you will. The 392 yellow jacket. And remember, twin 58mm precision ball bearing turbos, 85mm throttle body, 6.1 intake manifold. There's internals, there's other stuff, Arrington, that I will have pictured in those receipts, FYI. So check it out there, and or like I said, consult with a sales associate. They'll have access to all that. You want a page to it if you're interested in this car. Best way to do it is call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.